I created a beautiful blue by mixing the cheapest chalk paint on the market. I did learn a few things along the way that I really didn't expect. Let me show you how I created the beautiful dresser in the thumbnail. I began by removing my hardware. I love this hardware and I plan on gilding this in gold to add that extra pop to our dresser. To clean it, I used Dixie Belle White Lightning. So for my color, I mixed 2.5 8-ounce cans of Waverly Plaster, which is an off-white color, with half a bottle of Ocean, which is a blue. When mixing colors, I love to grab a color full of pigmentation like ocean color and mix it with something neutral like plaster. You will always get amazing results. The dresser was so big, I was scared of running out of paint. I totally mixed too much, which was surprising. When you mix paint, you want to stir it really good until the lines disappear. I added blue a little at a time to get this color. It's better to go slowly with your pigmented color. I ended up using half the bottle, about 4 ounces of ocean blue. To get the smooth finish, I'm using my Dixie Belle mini brush. I gotta admit, I was pretty surprised by the coverage. Like, what is going on? I mixed paint for 5 dressers and you covered it in once. It had been a while since I used Waverly and I forgot just how much coverage it gives you. Make sure when you do the inside of the drawers not to use thick coats of paint. We know how it goes. We know how it goes. Hard to get in this, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes. Way down low. This blue reminds me of Annie Sloan French blue color. Such a beautiful color. You know where you got me around your little pinky, nothing to ask, nothing there. This crush is hard. I wanna celebrate, you know. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh. ended up needing only half of what I have made. I made too much, but better safe than sorry. This is how much I have left. A lot. I can do a whole another dresser with this that I have left over. For the middle drawers, I wanted to do something special when you open the door. I wanted to add something little extra. I should have saved a little bit of white for this, but instead I had to use Waverly Crystal for my stencil color, which is all I had. I used a diesel brush for this. You can use whatever it feels comfortable for you.
Both mind and flesh, we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Hard to get in this. Both mind and flesh, only we know how it goes.
I don't want it to be perfect. I want it to be uneven, somewhere darker, somewhere lighter, and to me that has more character this way.
We know how it goes. Hard to get in this. Both mind and flesh, only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Hard to get in this.
It's like a nice surprise. You open the middle doors and you see a nice, very pretty, shy stencil there. Now it was time for protection. I chose a Big Mama's Bada for this.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good.
I have really been into natural wax lately. I really love the way it smells and looks, and also it's very gentle for your hands. Finally, it was time to add some gold. My favorite part, of course. I'm using Hibeo King Gold gilding wax for a touch of modern.
By my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby, I feel
This was the part I took the most time.
I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how
It's the only part you want to be careful and not mess up. But even if you mess up, it's not a big deal. If you do mess up, it's fine. Just grab some mineral spirits and a cloth and remove any extra unwanted gilding wax. I worked in section, adding clear wax for protection and then gold gilding wax on top of that for the look.
the night, all alone, realizing in the middle of the night, I'm glad you're gone, I'm glad you're I never had it so good. Baby, I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would.
I also gilded the hardware I talked of earlier. I did give it a good clean using white lining as well. You always want to clean your hardware before applying gilding wax. I did that part of the camera.
Without your love, I know
For the top, I decided to use gator hide because it's such a strong, durable protection, and that's what I wanted on this dresser. Remember to moisten your brush to make working with gator hide much easier. Gator hide will give us a much more protection than the wax. Usually it's the top that takes all the abuse, and that extra protection will go a long way. Then it was time to add the hardware back on. And it was done. What a beautiful dresser. It looks like it came out from Paris, France. Very, very pretty. Seriously though, it does look like it belongs in France. Beautiful blue dresser. This blue reminds me of a French blue with a touch of gold. It definitely looks like it belongs in Paris. So I'm so proud of this piece. I'm so excited of this piece. This piece is just so gorgeous. If you're willing to do some mixing, you can get some gorgeous colors out of Waverly Paint. I really hope you like this video. Be serious. I really hope you like this video. I really hope you like this video. We're getting close to 100,000 subs. Like, if you didn't subscribe, you gotta subscribe right now. Like, right now. Calm down. Oh my god, the whole gang is getting up. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next Friday with a new project and more ideas. Bye, guys!